Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. Today we're looking at this non-calculator 4-mark question. It gives us a triangle which is ABC, which has got 45 degrees angle, and the triangle ABC has an area of 18 centimeters squared, and it would like us to work out the length, the exact length of BC. So first and foremost, I recognize this is the angle A, so therefore this should be the length A. This is what we're actually looking for. So I'll put it down as a little a. I'll put a question mark over there. That's what we're searching for, beat the length BC. And what they're asking for us to do then is that what we need to do, you need to work out the area of the triangle. So we're going to use this formula, the sine area formula, which is a half AB sine C. So if you have a quick look over here, let's quickly use that formula. It's going to go something like this. It's going to be a half. A we don't know, so we'll write it down as A. The value of B, this will be the value of B over here. So if that's the case, I'm going to write it down over here. This is going to work out to be B. And then what we're going to be doing is that's going to work out to be 12 multiplied by sine of the angle which we've got is 45 degrees. So what we're going to be doing then, a half of 12 is 6. This is going to work out to be 6a multiplied by sine 45 degrees. Now they did tell us within the question over here, they did tell us that the area is 18 centimeters squared. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to update that. I'm going to write 18 over here, then 18 over here, and we know 18 divided by 6 is actually equal to 3. So I'm going to write that down over there. 18 divided by 6 is 3. On this side I've still got a lots of sine 45 degrees. Now this is a non-calculator, so let's have a look. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you using this method over here. Here I have a right angle triangle. It's an isosceles triangle, and with regards to this, as it's an isosceles, I know that this length is the same as this length. And for our purposes over here, I'm going to label this as 1, length of 1, and this is also going to be a length of 1. Now, this is going to be the hypotenuse over here. Let's call that h. What I'm going to do to work out h, I'm going to use Pythagoras, and therefore I'm going to just sum the squares of the two shorter lengths. So I'll get 1 squared plus 1 squared. Well, you know 1 squared is 1, and 1 squared is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore, h over here works out to be the square root of 2. Now, what we're going to be doing over here, if we carry on, if we're looking for sine 45 degrees, because these two lengths are the same, if that's 92 degrees, therefore this angle over here must be 45 degrees. So let's put the places over here. This is going to work out to be 45 degrees over here. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to write down over here sine 45. We should know through our trig ratios that sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So on our triangle, let's label the opposite. This will be our opposite, and as we know, this is going to be our hypotenuse. So therefore the opposite is equal to 1 over root 2. Okay, so we know that sine 45, using our triangle, this method, the exact value is 1 over root 2. Let's do a substitution over here. So therefore we have 3 is equal to a lots of 1 over root 2. Now what we're going to be doing, the inverse of divide by root 2 is times by root 2. So therefore our final answer over here works out to 3 lots of root 2, and that's all in centimeters, is our value of A. And what we were searching for was BC, and we know that that is also is equal to BC, and that is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. That really does help with me encouraging myself to make some more videos. Thank you. Have a lovely afternoon. Thank you. God bless you. Goodbye.